The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. An unexamined life is not worth living. To find yourself, think for yourself. I cannot teach anybody anything, I can only make them think. The greatest way to live with honor in this world is to be what we pretend to be. True wisdom comes to each of us when we realize how little we understand about life, ourselves, and the world around us. By all means marry. If you get a good wife, you'll become happy. If you get a bad one, you'll become a philosopher. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master. Be slow to fall into friendship, but when you are in, continue firm and constant. Beware the barrenness of a busy life. Regard your good name as the richest jewel you can possibly be possessed of. The unexamined life is not worth living for a human being. Contentment is natural wealth, luxury is artificial poverty. Let him that would move the world first move himself. An honest man is always a child. From the deepest desires often come the deadliest hate. Worthless people love only to eat and drink, people of worth eat and drink only to live. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. Employ your time in improving yourself by other men's writings so that you shall come easily by what others have labored hard for. Education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. The greatest blessing granted to mankind comes by way of madness, which is a divine gift. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. He is a man of courage who does not run away but remains at his post and fights against the enemy. He is rich who is content with the least, for contentment is the wealth of nature. By all means, marry. If you get a good wife, you'll become happy. If you get a bad one, you'll become a philosopher. Nature has given us 2 ears, 2 eyes, and but 1 tongue, to the end that we should hear and see more than we speak. The shortest and surest way to live with honor in the world is to be in reality what we would appear to be. He is not only idle who does nothing, but he is idle who might be better employed. Prefer knowledge to wealth, for the one is transitory, the other perpetual. There is no possession more valuable than a good and faithful friend. I know that I am intelligent because I know that I know nothing. I pray thee, O God, that I may be beautiful within. An honest man is always a child. The greatest way to live with honor in this world is to be what we pretend to be. Wonder is the beginning of wisdom. There is only one good, knowledge, and one evil, ignorance. The only good is knowledge, and the only evil is ignorance. Remember, no human condition is ever permanent. Then you will not be overjoyed in good fortune nor too scornful in misfortune. Strong minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, weak minds discuss people. The only thing I know is that I know nothing. An education obtained with money is worse than no education at all. An empty vessel makes the loudest sound, so they that have the least wit are the greatest babblers. An honest man is always a child. Be as you wish to seem. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master.